What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video. It's your boy Cam Willow back in this boy, and today we got another video, another review. Just like always, you feel me? In today's video, we got some Maison Mirharas. At first, I didn't really like this shoe at all. I didn't even like this style. Like, I don't know, but then it grew on me because I started seeing people with different fits and how they threw it on and different stuff like that. And I just started getting inspiration on like how I could throw on fits with like that stuff, like with different stuff like that, because you know my fashion been changing a little bit, my style been changing a little bit, so I had to you know, change it up a little bit. This shoe was for somebody, but you know, things happen, and you know, can't let that set you back. But yeah, finna get straight into this. This is a card that they had gave me. I had been already took it out the box, but here you go right here. It say Maison Mirhara. I don't know what that last word say, so we're not even gonna try to pronounce that. But yeah, we got the box right here. It say Maison Mirhara, some shit on the bottom. It got that. It got it right here. I don't know if I can see that. Yeah. And then going on to this side, it has the Maison Mirhara's right there. Size 42. Everything else is fine. So, yeah. They didn't really come with nothing at all. It was in some wrapping paper that said Mirhara on it. Yeah, it was in some wrapping paper that said Mirhara on it. So, it didn't really come with too much, nothing else, you know. It didn't come with no other laces, other stuff like that. But, like, getting straight into this shoe. Like, let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Let me know what y'all think about this. I know it's a lot of people out here, and I know it's some people on here that follow me from TikTok, and I didn't see y'all TikTok accounts where y'all be throwing on fits and stuff, and I know it's some of y'all out here that got these. I don't really, like, okay, I'm about to give y'all my honest opinion on these. I like them a lot. I really do like them, but I like them in the different colorways. Like, it's a very different shoe, bro. Like, even though it's a Converse, if you take this chunky part off, but it's just like, I don't know. Then you add the laces on here, the different stuff, and then you see the bottom. I think the bottom is kind of the same, but like, I don't know, it's different. It's very, very different. It does say Maison Mirhara right there on the front of the tongue. If you can see that, if my face get out the way. But yeah, you see the chunky laces, everything. Keep focusing in on me. But yeah, they do have a pair that's like, they're like different colors, but I ended up just getting this pair. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments if you like these. It's like, I don't really know I know what to say, but it's like, it's kind of different, bro. Like, I never really had no shoe like this. Like, I didn't have various amount of different pairs of shoes and different, like, crazy look on shoes, but like, these is probably like some crazy stuff besides the eBay dunks that I got. But like, yeah, these is like some crazy, like, I don't know what made them do this, but like even like they got some Adidas like this. I think that's, yeah, I think it's some Adidas like this. This is crazy. Let me show you the other shoe. I mean, it's the same shoe, but I just want to show y'all side by side. A comparison. Like, look at that, bro. This is so crazy, bro. Like, this junk is crazy, bro. But yeah, like I was saying, like, I mean, I like them. They starting to grow on me. But it's like, I don't know what to put on with this. Like, I know it's a black and white shoe, but like, I don't want to, I'm to the point where it's like, not every shoe that I gotta throw on I gotta throw a fit on with it. But like, you know, every once in a while when you pop out with a new shoe, like, you like, what fit I'm gonna wear. And you still gotta pick a fit regardless. Like, yeah, I could wear black and white with this, but it's like, what black and white am I gonna wear with this? I'm not finna wear this with no chrome shirt. I'm not finna wear none of this with that. Like I be needing help for real on this style and shit. Like, I really could throw some shit on that's like what I know how to throw on, like on some cool shit. But like when you get into all them fashion trends and all that other stuff, I don't really know what to wear. Like they do say Mirhara on the back of them, MMY. I do have another pair on the way. They're like this. They're the same thing, but they're like distressed. Like it has like where the white lines are on here. Yeah, like where the white lines are and the stitching and stuff. It's like distressed white stuff like coming out of it. I've been wanting that pair for so long. Like that's probably like the only one I've been wanting. It's been that pair and it's been this other pair. I'm putting the screen up on the screen. I know I've been saying I'm gonna put stuff up on the screen, but like I don't know. My stuff haven't been working lately, so that's why I haven't been really putting it up on the screen. But I'm gonna try to put it up on the screen. I'm not gonna say I am gonna do it. I'm gonna try to put it up on the screen. But yeah. Let me know in the comments what you rate this shoe 1 through 10. It does say Maison Mirhara in the inside, if you can see that, if it focuses. Let me move this out the way. Yeah, it says Maison Mirhara right there. And yeah. It's on the tongue it says trust yourself, wearing instructions. Wear your way of life, never forget to love. Have fortunate belief in your creativity, never bend your head, always hold it high. Man, this I don't know, it's something different though, but I like it. I like different, bro. You know, we're gonna try new things all 2023, all 2024, all the rest of 2023, all 2024. We're going up from here. I think on everything, make sure y'all hit the like, comment, subscribe, get your boy to 1.3K subscribers, bro. We really done came a long way, bro. Like, that's just crazy, bro. I wouldn't be here without each and last one of y'all, bro. That junk crazy, bro. It's like crazy. Like, it's been like 1,000 people know me, bro. That's crazy. And it's been a hard little grind, bro. But, you know, we pushed through it. We ain't let nothing stop us. You know, we grinded as much as we can when we was sick. We grinded as much as we can when we was good and not sick. And we still grinding, you feel me? And, yeah, hopefully, you know, like I always say in my videos, around next year, I'll be where I want to be if y'all keep doing this. But, yeah, I'm going to show y'all one last look, and then we're going to end the video on there. Alright. So yeah, like I said, it's your boy Cam, aka Cam Willow, and we is out.